the golf cart parade. Man, it was so mesmerizing. We forgot to record it. Just kidding, we totally missed it. We're gonna walk around. Looks like there's Christmas farmers market at night. Should be amazing. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it. It's like an evening farmer's market. Wait, how was that again? Oh, are we cutting the line for Santa?
No, we can't go see him. I've been naughty this year. I don't know what exactly I'm looking at except a bunch of lights. So I think this is Plant Street.
Oh, it's nice. Let's go.
Wow, look at those dogs. It's a whole like
Aww. Wow. It's really nice.
It's really cool.
Is this on like all the time?
This is the church, right?
No, City Hall.
Oh, City Hall?
Or something court. That's a nice Christmas tree.
It is.
Oh, let's do a picture here. So it looks like the parade was here.
Yeah.
But now we're part of the parade. Wow. I don't think Winter Park has something like this. Yeah?
I don't think so.
Oh, this is nice. It's like perfect and it's cold. People are wearing jackets.
Here's the golf cart.
Oh, alright, let's go. That's awesome. Tickets, please. Oh my god, look at the little puppies.
Oh, that's what you brought ours? No.
No. You will hate this. Ah, so they all park here. I guess some of them.
This is almost better than getting here.
But then people are fighting for spaces. The puppy with the sweater.
Oh, there's like a show going on.
Oh, cool. Let's get that. Let's go this way.
Yeah, I was wrong. This is the size Christmas tree we need. This is what my mom wants in her room.
Can you tell Jasmine that?
Alright, Jasmine, I found the perfect size Christmas tree for my mom. Go ahead, show her.